Hi, there are several ways how you can take a screenshot on your Redmi Note 14 5G. But firstly, let's enable some of them in settings. So let's go in settings. Here find additional settings and choose gesture shortcuts. Now after that in the setting we need to find take a screenshot tab and also partial screenshot. So just tap it and enable those two cool features. Slide 3 fingers down to take a screenshot and volume down plus power button to take a screenshot. So this option is a default basic way how you can take screenshot on any phone. Just press and hold power and volume down at the same time. And now the screenshot is taken. So let's check this way. For that we need to slide 3 fingers down. And as you can see, it's working as well. By the way, we can tap screenshot, we can crop it, we can also draw something on that screenshot and save to gallery, of course. Now let's go back and check partial screenshot tab. So as you can see, to take partial screenshot, we need to press and hold with 3 fingers. So make sure that this switcher is blue and feature is enabled. And after that, you can press and hold with 3 fingers like that and take partial screenshot. Here you can also make it circle like that. You can share it to any social media. You can adjust it, resize, crop, and so on. And of course, we can save it. Now, different way how you can take a screenshot is with the help your control center. So swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. Here tap edit button and now you need to find this feature either in system toggles or in your control center. So just find this scissors icon and the name of the feature screenshot, add it to your control center. Now to take a screenshot, you can just tap the button and it would be taken after a few seconds. Now let me show you different type of screenshot you can take, which is scrolling screenshot. So as a first step, you need to open any app in which you can scroll like that. For example, settings or any web page. Now take a screenshot. It doesn't matter with the help of which way you'll take it. Just take a screenshot. And now you should see this activated scroll button which you can tap. And it will either automatically scroll or you can manually scroll by swiping up. And then you can tap down button. And this is how scrolling screenshot will look. Let's save it and check in gallery. So this is usual screenshot, default one, and that is scrolling screenshot. You can zoom in and basically you can check everything on the screenshot. So with the help of this way, you can capture not only one page, but more, for example, 5 pages. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.